Hello everybody, you join me here at Attenborough Nature Reserve, where today I'm going to be doing a quick walk around and showing you my wildlife work. If you do enjoy this style of content, please do let me know in the comments down below, and let's get the party started. We are here at one of my favourite spots at Attenborough. We are at one of the hides, but we are not in that hide at the minute. We are just in front of the lake. We are soon going to the kingfisher hide, but we did just see a heron on the grass in the lake. Here are them photos that I took. Hope you enjoy them. To round off the day here, we've spent the last hour or so in the kingfisher hide. The name is kind of a lie. You don't really see any kingfishers here, but you do get a brilliant opportunity to see a lot of water birds. And here are some shots that I've got. Hope you enjoy them. Thank you guys so much for watching this wildlife photography video of mine. If you have enjoyed the new style of content, please do make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Share this video if you are new to spread the word about me. And I will see you guys in the next one. Here are some more photos from today.